was the second question after the third house that you asked me?
I said, am I gonna feel weird or nervous if we make an offer on one of the houses we saw today? Like, am I gonna regret it? Am I gonna be wondering what if? And Michael said, well, actually, it's totally.
Hello everybody, I'm Michael Abney and I am the broker owner of Inspire Realty, and today we are out showing some houses. But today I'm talking about something very specific. In about 15-20 minutes I'm going to be showing a couple that is looking for a house for the first time. It's really important when you're looking for a house for the first time. It's more about a feel and setting your expectations. You know, there is no perfect house, but if you can get 85-90% of what you're looking for, it's a really good day. Some tips for looking for a house for the first time. You want to know what you want. You know, the schools that you want your kids to go to, the type of services that you look for are very important, because you want to make sure that your home is sitting in a location that has close proximity to the things that are important to you. That said, second thing is to check out like when you're driving up to the neighborhood, and I'll show you guys some footage as we get a little bit closer about how important that is, because you're gonna be driving this way a lot. You know, every time you go to work, every time you go run an errand, you're gonna be coming back through that neighborhood, and that should invoke a feeling for you. You know, hey, are these the type of houses that I wanna look at whenever I come home every day? Whatever your particular situation is, you want to have a lot of that in mind when you're looking at the house too. Third thing, don't pick too many houses to look at the first time. Go through the list that your realtor sends you. Pick your top like 5 at the max, because after that, I'm sorry, you just get overwhelmed. You don't remember anything from any of them. Pick out your top 5, go out and look, which is exactly what we're doing today. So the fourth thing is how does that house feel when you walk in? You know, if it checks all the boxes, but it also has to check another box, and that box is you. Like, how do you really feel when you walk in there? Can you see yourself living there? How do you see yourself living there? And why? All really important things to check in with yourself, because sometimes that factor is the thing that pushes it over the edge. So you just really want to be present to that and keep that big picture in mind. Sort of number 5 and my bonus is, don't be scared to purchase a house like on the first day. Like, you really might find it the first day. So don't let that like trip you up, like, oh, I've got to look at X number of houses. Listen, you know when you know. If the buyers want to participate and share their experience, we'll definitely put that in there. But this is more about for providing value to people that are searching for homes and getting ready to take that next step where they're actually going out looking for homes. That's what we're doing today. Hope you guys enjoy it. We will see you as we go through. So everybody, I'm Michael, and my buyer actually did want to talk to me today, so I'm really kind of excited. So this is Tori. This is the first time that she's went out and looked at homes. Today was day 1. We looked at 5 different homes, 2 in West County. It was going to be 3, but 1 was already sold by the time we got there. So we had 2 out there, we had 1 in U City, and we had 2 sort of over in Brentwood, Rock Hill area. Out of those 3 areas today, like, which one was your favorite area?
I would say probably the U City Brentwood area, just because we currently live there. It's familiar. It's also super charming. It's conveniently located to major highways. I like all the mature trees in those neighborhoods. So I think that's definitely kind of the areas that I was the most drawn to with all the properties we looked at today. Okay, so West County was good, but it's out. So yay, we know that. Yeah.
So as you guys know, one of my tips was don't negate that you could possibly, on your first trip out, find the house.
Yep.
So what was the second question after the third house that you asked me?
I said, am I gonna feel weird or nervous if we make an offer on one of the houses we saw today? Like, am I gonna regret it? Am I gonna be wondering what if? And Michael said, well, actually, it's totally doable and realistic that we might find the one today. So I feel like I'm in good hands, so that's always important.
Yeah.
So yeah, I thought that was a little bit of a surprise, but
So we actually did find one that we like today, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna be writing an offer on it pretty soon. Yay!
Yay!
So it can happen. So just be open, know what you want. What was your experience like for them today? Like,
it was good.
Yeah. Did I do a good job?
You did, first of all, you did a great job. Like I said, we're in great hands. I was expecting it to be more overwhelming than it was. Like, it was an easy process. Like, it wasn't crazy, no pressure. We were able to ask questions, which is great, and having someone knowledgeable who can answer those questions and feel like you're getting good advice makes so much different. I felt comfortable. Like, I wasn't nervous like I expected it to be. So that was a huge plus. It made all the difference, I would say.
And I'm gonna say that's because one thing I told you was pick out your top 5.
Yep.
If you look at more than that on any trip, everybody gets too tired. You don't even remember what houses that you were in.
You start to run together. It's just not a good situation.
So stay clear. I'm so excited for you. I got a really good feeling about this,
Yay.
and thank you for sharing your
Absolutely.
experience on your
Of
first
course.
time
Awesome.
looking at houses.
Yay,
So
awesome.
great Sunday, and thank you. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.